My name is Vinayak Gangi. I am from R46 batch. We have done a virtual dressing room project with my teammates Suraj Bhatt, Tushar, Vaibhav under the guidelines of Professor Abhishek MP. Shopping is a time-consuming process in a in a physical mode. In a virtual mode, we save the times. One artificial environment will be created with the software. The webcam will capture user image and it superimpose the cloth model on a user body. It enables shoppers to try on clothes virtually. First application was developed by Jugara, named WSS, known as the Magic Mirror. Then the image will be captured using web camera. Face detection will then happen. With the help of background subtraction, we will detect human location present in image. Then using binary image processing, skeleton of the human will be created. In skeleton, main body joints are recorded. The claws are adapted to the body of the user in front of the camera during runtime. Furthermore, trying on claws in front of different backgrounds also possible. For example, night also you can try the clothes. Uh, the objective of our project is to develop the virtual dressing room web application using Python. We choose Python because it uh, is a scripting language to design system that allows the virtual and augmented reality of a person to try and superimpose the different types of selected clothes and accessories available in the store.
Hi, I am Tushar and I am going to explain about the block diagram. First, the extraction of the information of the user take place from the video stream. Then several images will be captured, and from that the face detection part take place. Face detection part take place from the two algorithm. One is the hard classifier and second one is the Weiler Jones algorithm. After that, the body detection will take place. In that, upper body and the lower body part will be there for the detection. It is usually by done by the Hars classifier, and we have created the database in which the several rows are there, and we are using two HTML and CSS. Both are for the web development part. And after that, we are creating a web page. Their user can choose their clothes, and then marking of the image will take place. That is the superimposition of our clothes into the user body, and then after that the user can see the output that he has selected his or her clothes. This is all about this block diagram.
Hello everyone, my name is Suviraj Bhatt and I'm going to explain about our code. This is our main function where we are calling the different functions. This is for try on where we get the different face detected path where we have initialized the path here. This is the try on file where we are actually detecting the face, as my colleague, my friend Tushar said. This is the dlib library where we are mm, using it for detecting the face, which contains the pre-declared 52 coordinates. Here we are resizing the image, which is what Tushar said, that is databases according to the database. Here we are calculating the bound box with respect to the coordinates. This is for a face bound box. Here we are declaring the different coordinates, that is 17 to 22 stands for the uh, first eyebrow. Similarly 22 to 26 stands for second eyebrow. This is for cheek. See, so we are done like this. We are connected to the different face part, and here we are adjusting our here adjusting our necklaces and different cloths accessories to the face, so that it can position itself in a real time base. And this is for frocks as well. Here the earrings are taken from the reference of nose, so that we can get the symmetry around the body. This is for tops, where we are declaring W stands for width and X stands for X coordinate, and Y stands for Y coordinate. Here the reference will be eyes, so that we can, when we move around also, it will detect in a real time. This is how our body detection is done. And also the real time upper body is detected using the HAR classifier. Here we can, as you can see, this is how we are doing it.
Hello everybody, I am Raghu Kumar from R46 batch, and I'll walk you through the body detection part. We are using MediaPipe library of Python, which is basically a machine learning library to detect the important landmarks of a human skeletal system. Here, as you can see, we are detecting the important landmarks, the shoulder, the joints, to detect the skeleton or pose estimation of the user standing. Now moving to the output part, as you can see, we have developed a web application for our project where the user can interact with our web application to select from different accessories available. He can scroll through the different sections like necklace, earrings, tops, and other accessories which are all available. Try on something which he might find like it, and will try to give a create a virtual environment in which he can virtually try the dress. Here, as you can see, like if a user selects a necklace and like he wants to try it, like how it will look on him or her, then he can certainly do so by clicking on that necklace and try it now button. We have many options available like earrings, tiaras, tops, goggles, frocks, etc. So moving to the earrings part, if the user clicks on try it now button, he will get a pop-up window where the camera will be open and he'll be like given a virtual environment where he can try the earrings. This is like how this is like pretty much how it will make him feel like he's like shopping virtually, like physically present on that shop. We have some other options like tops. So as you can see, the user clicks on the try it now button and he will get a pop-up window where the camera will open and the selected item will get superimposed on the user's body. We have tried to make our website as much user friendly as possible. As you can see, it is very easily accessible by anyone who has like basic knowledge of internet, and who is like anyone who is into e-shopping. We have designed this whole web application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Like there is an option to try goggles also. So if a user selects goggles, he can give it a try while sitting at his home, and he will get a real feeling like how it will feel look on him. There are many other options like tiaras, frocks, goggles. So this is a basic idea about our project. There is even a button called try and check out where the user can select multiple items and it will get get stored in his cart, and he can try it all those items at once. Like here we have selected multiple items like goggles and tiaras. The user can select them one by one, or he can select both of them together.